What's a piece of information that you learned that feels illegal to know?
Nathaniel, we're rolling.
What?
We're rolling.
Right now?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm trying to teach people how to make money, and here I am counting my life savings. Welcome everyone, welcome. So today's video, as the title says, we are going to talk about how you can make money online. And no, this is not clickbait. This is for anyone of all ages. Anybody that wants to earn extra cash on the side, this is the video for you, okay? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make real serious cash. We're not talking about filling out surveys or, talking to somebody random. And if you want to learn how to make upwards to $4,000 a month by just working 2 hours a day online, wait to the end of the video. And all I ask is that you subscribe, you like, and comment on this video so that you can show me that you support it, you support the information, and you love what you're seeing. So comment, like, subscribe. The likes button is right there, right there. The likes button is right there, so just click it and enjoy it, okay? Thank you guys for your support. I love you all. So in this video, like I said, we're going to talk about how to make real serious cash online. And I'm talking $4,000, like I had mentioned, a month, okay? And no, it's not stocks. No, it's not investing. It's literally things anybody of any age can do, okay? And no, this is not clickbait. Like I had mentioned, this is something serious. There's only 2 requirements, well, actually 3 requirements that you'll need for all of these. You'll need to speak English of some sort of a degree. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you have to speak English of some sort. Have internet connection and a laptop. So those are the 3 requirements you need in order to make money. All of this that I'm going to talk about right now, past those 3 requirements, all you're going to have to do is work 2 hours every single day. So just 2 hours every single day for a month. And I'll show you what you can make per hour for every 2 hours, and then what you can make totally in a month from what I tell you, okay? So we're going to rank these. We're going to start off with the one that probably pays the least amount of money, and we're going to go all the way to the one that pays the most. So wait to the end of the video, like I mentioned, to find out how you can make $4,000 a month, if not more. Okay, so we'll list them. So number 1, okay, so the first thing you can do is flipping Instagram theme pages. So this is sort of like buying and selling in a way. It's basically buying theme pages that have a lot of followers in it, and you basically buy it from them and you sell it for a higher price to somebody that wants that exposure, because people are paying top dollars right now for adverts on Instagram, TikTok, and whatnot. So I would say if you have some capital that you're willing to throw in, definitely flipping theme pages on Instagram is a really good way to do it. And you might be thinking, is there real money into it? Well, yeah, there is, because if you see on Instagram, a lot of people are paying tons of money for adverts, right? Thousands of dollars sometimes for adverts. So if you have an Instagram theme page that has a lot of followers, you can sell that for quite a bit of money, or you can sell rates on people trying to put advertisements on that page. So again, this one I put number 1 as the lowest, because this could range of how much money you can make per hour, per month, per year, whatever. It all depends how much money you have to start with and how much you're willing to invest into it. Not something that I think everyone should get into, but it is definitely a viable option. Number 2, if you have Facebook, Facebook is this huge labyrinth of marketing and ads and just weirdness, right? Selling things on Facebook marketing. I know people that basically had old books, old clothing, old coffees, cups, and whatever. So like I mentioned, old coffee cups, old mugs, whatever you have old in your house that you want to sell, Facebook Marketplace is a huge area to sell them. And you could sell it for $50, $100, depending on what you have. So me personally, I had an old monitor that didn't work, it was garbage, and somebody bought it for me for $150 just because they wanted the parts. So, I mean, that's a viable option if you're a teenager, if you're anybody that, is willing and has some old stuff that you want to sell, old video games, old consoles, whatever it is. Definitely selling things on Facebook Marketplace, take a picture, put it in, and just advertise it, right? Advertise it for basically free, and you can earn free money as a side hustle. So those are the 2 kind of lower tier ones that I would say that you do need to put a little bit more work into in order to make some capital. That it basically depends on how much money and how much effort you're willing to put in is how much you're actually going to make. So now let's move on to what I think are probably the best ways to make money online for realistically 0 effort.
I could do this shit with no effort.
So number 3, we have Cambly. So what is Cambly? So Cambly is essentially a website that you can talk to people from all around the world in English. It's basically people that use this are trying to learn English or want to practice their English. And they're, believe it or not, a lot of times university students that want to learn English. So you basically sit on a webcam and you have a conversation with them, just like I'm having with you. Hi, how are you? How was your day? Do you like coffee? You don't like coffee? You should drink coffee. And guess what? You get paid for something like that, okay? So I think Cambly is really good for people that do feel comfortable being on a webcam, do feel comfortable just having a conversation with somebody. I personally really like it because I do like hearing people's stories. I do like talking to people. So this was something that really was cool for me. Now you may ask, is it secure? I think it's really secure and really safe because you do get paid, I believe, every Friday on PayPal. So it is something really cool. Now I know you're gonna ask, what is the payment? Okay, so for Cambly, and let me just double check here. You get paid $10 per hour on Cambly. So if you work 2 hours a day, that's $20.40 a day, which equates to about $571 a month. Just talking to somebody for 2 hours a day. $571, which then you can use to do so many other things with, right? So $571 of just talking, just doing this for 2 hours. That's really good, guys, I would say. So if you definitely feel comfortable, I would definitely go try out Cambly and try that out. Number 4. So as you can see, we're gonna rank these for like how much you can make, with the last one being the most money, as I mentioned. So number 4, it's a website called Try My UI, okay? So it's a website where you actually get to try web developers and apps, new apps that haven't been released, new websites that haven't been released, and you have to just basically film your reaction, what you think about it, and just, yeah, so you're just basically testing it. You're sitting on your computer and you're testing a new website and you're getting paid for it, okay? Again, what I really like, it's really secure. You get to see things that maybe other people won't get to see, new websites, new apps that are coming out, revolutionary things that might be coming out. So I find that really cool. Again, paid through PayPal, so pretty secure. And what is the pay? So everybody wants to know the pay. So the pay for Try My UI is about $10 per session, and the session lasts about 20 minutes. So if you do 3 sessions back to back, that's $30. Oh my gosh, that's $30 in an hour. For 2 hours, that's $60, which equates to $1,680 a month. Just by trying out someone's website and working only 2 hours a day, guys. Come on, you're telling me you can't work 2 hours? Put away the Netflix. 2 hours, just look at a website and film your reaction, okay? So for those of you that like to be on camera, you're comfortable being on camera and you're willing to do this, those two are probably the best for you as far as what you can get paid. And let's move on to now things that maybe introverts can do, people that are a little bit more quiet. My little mice. So people that you don't have to interact, you basically can just sit down with your computer and you can just work, okay? So the next one that I want to talk about, number 5, is called Listen and Type. So the website is called Go Translate, okay? So basically what Go transcript is that you're listening to audio files or videos and you're basically just transcribing what the person says so that you can match what they're saying as a kind of like a subtitle in a way to what they're actually saying, okay? This is really cool because you can actually just sit there with an audio file and just type out what the person is saying, send it off, and you get paid for it, okay? I really like it, again, because it's really easy to use and you get paid again through PayPal. So what is the pay for this? This website will pay you about 60 cents per minute, okay? So that's about $36 per hour or $72 for every 2 hours, which equates to $2,016 per month for just listening to something and typing out what they're saying. That's it, guys. That's all you have to do. So don't tell me, oh, that's too much work. You're sitting there typing mindlessly. You do it for school anyway, so might as well do it to earn some money for 2 hours a day, really. And you, guess what? All the stuff that I'm talking to you today, you can make your own schedule, decide when you want to work, quit whenever you want. There's no issue. These are all freelance work, so it's really cool. So $2,116. Guys, zoom into my face. I'm giving you free money here. For So guys, I'm giving you free money here, $2,000 a month. That's CERB for my Canadian followers. That's basically CERB, and all you have to do is listen and type. Man, he's nodding his head. He's like, dude, I'm gonna do this when I get home. Yeah, you better do this when you get home, man. You're gonna earn money through this stuff, okay? So again, remember, this channel is about the stock market, about finance, but look what we're talking about here. I'm giving you free money, basically, okay? So guess what? What you have to do, if you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Just go do it. I'm basically giving you money, okay? So you made it to this point. Thank you if you subscribed, if you've liked, you made it to the end of the video where I'm going to talk about probably the biggest way that you can earn money online, okay? The biggest money total, okay? And it's a website that I found that was really secure, that was really cool, and anybody can do it. Again, all ages, so it follows the same principle and same idea. It's called Rev. The website is called Rev, okay? And what this basically is called, it's very similar to Go Transcript, where you're basically listening to things and typing it out, but there's a lot of services. So they have a translation and transcription service, a caption service, a Zoom service. They have a lot of different services that you can sign up for and work for whichever one you want. And they're all freelance work, right? This one is crazy because you can earn upwards to about $23,000 a month. Yeah, I'm not kidding. $23,000 a month. I calculated. So when you're looking at Rev, let's just say you wanted to do translation and transcription. So how it's different is you're watching movies. You're watching movies and YouTube videos and typing out what they're saying, guys. Who doesn't want to just watch a random movie, type out what they're saying on each scene and get paid for it? You must be out of your mind if you don't want to get paid for that, okay? So the translation, transcription, and captioning service, so they basically, I looped them into 3 because they all have the same rate. You get paid, drum roll please, $1.25 per minute. That's about $150 for every 2 hours, and per month, that's $4,200 a month. Just for watching a movie.
What the f*** are you looking at?
And writing stuff out. Manny, listen, this money here, you're gonna have to give it away, okay? We're gonna be rich after all this, okay? It's gonna be my rich bit. Oh, we're still filming. Dude, you have to tell me we're still filming, okay? Okay, so that's the transcription, translation, and captioning services, okay? The biggest one that you can earn the most money is for all my people that actually speak another language, okay? So my people that maybe speak Polish or Portuguese or Spanish or whatever language, who cares? If you speak another language, they have a service for basically watching movies in other languages. Again, this does mean you have to be able to type in that language and be able to write in the language. But for all of you that do speak a different language and can write in a different language, they pay up to $7 per minute. So if that doesn't entice you to start learning a different language, I don't know what will. Because $7 per minute equates to $23,520 per month. If you're watching this and you speak another language, you owe me about 10 grand for that one, okay? You're welcome. You get to watch a movie in a different language, you get to practice that language, you get to write in that language, and you get paid $23,000 a month for just doing that. And yes, I'm not even kidding. Go on Rev, go see the prices. I'm not even lying to you, okay? So what you're essentially doing in all of these is that you're basically writing captions. So you know when you watch Netflix and you have all the captions at the bottom, it's the same idea, right? You're creating subtitles and captions and you get paid for it, okay? So guys, as you can see, the only requirement you ever had for all of this is you need an internet, you need a computer, and you need to potentially speak English or even another language. And you can earn upward to $4,000 a month. So guys, don't tell me you don't have time. Don't tell me you can't do it. Don't tell me you can't earn money, because these are side hustles you can do. Even if you work a job, even if you have 2 or 3 jobs, you can spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes out of your day doing this, because remember, they're all freelance jobs. They all are you're able to make your own schedule and you're able to make your own hours that you work, okay? So thank you guys for coming to another video. I hope this one helps all of you that have been wondering if I actually know what I'm talking about, if you actually want to make money. So guys, this is the best ways in 2021 to make money online. They're easy, they're fast, so I would definitely go do it. So catch me on the next video. Peace. Dude, we're still filming, man.